Now members, we are going to see how do we calculate the median, and then how do we get these values of the range if they give you quartiles. Now here people are confused what a quartile is. A quartile is a value of x. Quartile is just a value of x at the upper, with from the lower limit to the upper, or from the lower limit to the upper if you are dealing with the upper quartile. So quartile, medians, they are values of x. So let us see this one. They're telling us that the universal value is such that whenever you see this shows that it's a rectangular distribution, and so it's uniform with upper quartile of that. So in simple terms, all we are looking for, first of all, this shows that this is our range. So our f of x will be 1 over b minus a at the interval a less x plus or equal to b. Because this one shows it follows a rectangular or a uniform distribution. So now they're telling us that the upper quartile, the lower quartile, so our Q1 is 3, is 5, and then our Q, the upper quartile of 3, is 9. So what does it mean? It means that when you interpret this, remember our quartile is given by from A to Q1 of f of x dx. It should always be a quarter. But we have our Q1 there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add from A, which I'm looking for, up to Q1. My Q1 is 5. The distribution is 1 over b minus a dx equaling to now the quarter. Because I know the first quarter should always be a quarter. So when you integrate that, we get 1 over b out, 1 over b minus a into now, when you integrate this, we get x from a 5 equaling to a quarter. So that we have two unknowns, a and b. It means that we also need two equations. When I put in this value, I'll be adding 5 minus a by the whole over b minus a equaling to a quarter. Can you cross multiply? When I cross multiply there, I have this and this. I have 20 minus 4a equaling to b minus a. When I cross multiply, take everything the other side. I'll be having now 20 equaling to b. When I take this side, it becomes now a minus a plus 4a. Don't make a mistake there. So now my b is going to be plus 3a is giving me a 20. I call this equation 1. I need another equation that means that my Q3 is 9. So from a to Q3 of f of x dx is always 3 over 4. So I have now from my lower limit, which is a, then Q3 is 9, 1 over b minus a, then dx would give us 3 over 4. So what happens there is, to interpret this, we have x over b minus a from a to 9 equaling 3 over 4. So what happens there? Let us substitute in that limit. When we substitute in, we have 9 minus a over b minus a equaling 3 over 4. So can we cross multiply? Then cross multiply here. I have 36. 36 minus 4a equaling to 3b minus 3a. Can you correct by terms? Take everything this side. We shall be having 3b. When I take this, it will be now positive, so plus a equaling to 36, and this becomes my second equation. So what can we do to eliminate? So we can eliminate b. Okay, so I'm rearranging. So to rearrange this is that I need to multiply this one by 3. So I'm going to say multiply 3 because I need this coefficient here. So multiply 3 in equation 2, then you subtract equation 1. So multiply 3 here, I'll be having 9b plus 3a equaling to, and multiply here by 3, I think we have 1 0. Yeah, 1 0 8. Then subtract equation 1, Comparing the equation 1, 3, okay. I have b plus 3a equaling to 20. Then we subtract. So here we have 8b equaling to, when we subtract that, we get 88. 88. And so our b is 11. If our b is 11, come here from 2, so that my a will be 36 minus 3b, which will be 36 minus 33, which will be 3. So we bring that my a in this 3, so those are the values of a and b. So mean that now my distribution is going to be, our f of x we said is b minus a. So b minus a we get b minus a, we get 8, so it's going to be 1 over 8, and the interval 3, let's say equal to 11, then 0, else, where, then they want us to get the mean b and e. So how do we get the median? So my part b, the median is the value of x from a to m of f of x dx. It should be a half. So this is value of x. So I'm going to interpret from now the y3 up to m. Then this is 1 over 8 dx should be equal to a half. So in the substitute we get x over 8 from 3 to m equal to 1 over 2. Putting them there, we have m minus 3 over 8 equal to 1 over 2. Can you cross multiply? By cross multiply there, you can see that my m will be, okay, my m minus 3 will be equal to 4. And so my x, okay, my m will be 7. So that is going to be our mean. Therefore, the mean is the value of x, so my x is 7. So this value of x will give me the mean. Then part C, they want me to get the first, the 8th decile. So I'll say this will be the integral from a, the 8th decile I want, then f of x dx equaling to 8, the 8 over 10. This I will always divide by 10. So this will be now integral from our lower limit, then to this d I want, this side I want, then 1 over 8 dx will be equal to 0.8. So in the substitute there, start with interpret this, we get x over 8 from 3 to d is 0.8. Can you simplify? So we have d minus 3 over 8 equal to 0.8. And so 0.8, and so our d here is going to be, for the multiply here, we get 0.8 times 8, then plus 3, we get 9.4, and that will be our decile. So therefore, the value of x that is going to give us the decile, therefore our x is 9.4. So the decile and median are values of x. So that's how we handle decile things. So that's it, members. I wish you well. Always the median, the decile, the percentile, the quartile should be between the range. So that's it. Now we are going to see the next lesson. We are going to start normal distribution. I wish you well.